from the program that I made or I designed. Yes, there are three programs. First is about religious program, which I use TPR, Total Physical Method, because in this TPR method, the student just follow the instruction from the teacher. So the activities from religious program, there is sholat duha, baca surah Yasin. Sholat duha which the student can do from Monday until Friday. And then baca surah Yasin, the student can do on Friday. So in the second, there is English conversation program. Here I use audio lingual method because the student just only spoken without written, and they don't need to think about grammatically. So that's why I choose audio lingual method. And then from the English conversation program, I will use two activities, which is it will do in school and out school. In school, the activities is about first describe one word into 100 words, and then the student can watch a movie, and then the student can do debate with their friends. Yeah. For out school, the student can interview with tourists. It will be conducted when the student have holiday in the school, and the teacher will ask the student to interview the tourist. And yeah, in the last program is about extracurricular program. Here there is swimming, pramuka, badminton, basketball, futsal, BMR, OSIS, karate, and so on. And yeah, here the purpose of religious program to increase, increase faith of student. And the second, English conversation program, the purpose is to improve speaking skill of student, and then the student doesn't only understand the content of learning English, but they also must be able to speak in order they can speak with tourists or people in the environment or the student that they meet from tourists. In the last program, the purpose of extracurricular to find out the students' interests and talents. So in the next, religious program, Salat Duha. First, the teacher will teach the student about how to wudu correctly. Maybe the teacher will teach about how to berkumur or gargle, and then the teacher will teach how to wash the nose of student, and then the teacher will teach about how to wash face of student, and then how to wash head of student. Yeah, and then how to wash the part of the right or left hands, and then how to wash about what is it, forehead, to wash ears, both of ears and feet. Yes, the teacher will teach them to the student. And then there is Al-Fatihah. The student will teach about Al-Fatihah, which the student can follow from what the teacher read. So it's like repetition. And then the student can memorize this Al-Fatihah, which is important when we pray like Sholat Maghrib or Duhur or any others. Yeah. And then the student should memorize this Al-Fatihah and read correctly. Yes. And then there is Surah At-Tahiyatul Akhir. The teacher will read about the Surah At-Tahiyatul Akhir, and then the student can follow what the teacher read. After that, the student should memorize this Surah At-Tahiyatul Akhir. And then the student should read this At-Tahiyatul Akhir correctly, because it is important, which is it can be used, when we pray. And then practice. Practice, it means the student should be able to Sholat Duha by what from the teacher teach about how to wudu correctly, how to read Al-Fatihah correctly, and Surat At-Tahiyatul Akhir correctly. Yes, that's it. I'm sorry, Indonesian. Apa yang harus dicapai from the student in Sholat Duha? How to wudu. First, how to wudu. Student must be able to kerkel. Student must be able to wash the nose. Student must be able to wash the head. Student must be able to wash both the right and left hands. And student must be able to wash the forehead. Student must be able to wash both ears. Student must be able to wash the feet. Yeah, it's part of wudu. And then there is Al-Fatihah, which means the student must be able to read Al-Fatihah correctly. Student must be able to memorize the surah. Yeah. And then in the next is about At-Tahiyat Akhir, which the student must be able to read At-Tahiyat Akhir, and then the student must be able to memorize the surah. In the last is about practice, which means the student must be able to Sholat Duha correctly, read Al-Fatihah and At-Tahiyat Akhir correctly, from what I explained before. And here is about speaking. In the next program is about speaking conversation in school. Yes. Here the activities and the time, which in 12 until 12 fifth grading, and then there is introduction themselves of student and teacher. Introduction is means like what is the name of student and teacher, and then maybe the teacher can ask about the city that the student live. Yeah, something like that. And then the teacher can give about ice breaking. Maybe it's like this teacher can say clap ban to the student when the teacher say good afternoon or good morning. If the teacher say good morning, and then the student should clap ban. If the teacher say good afternoon, and then the student can clap too. Yeah, selected as speaking. And then teacher can give paper about describing word, which the student and teacher can translate the paper from English to Indonesia together, from teacher and also the student. After that, the student can find out about one word from paper, and then describe into 100 words. Yeah, after that the student can watch movie and then continue pay to bit. Yes. Here the example about describe one word, which I explain about English, so I elaborate the words of English into 100 words, and then the student can find about one word from this may elaborate. Maybe it's about communicate, and then the student can elaborate about communicate that they can. And yeah, actually it can to improve critical thinking from the student, and then the student can have a new vocabulary that they don't have before. And yeah, so why I give this English conversation, because it is important. And then here, section of debate. Section of debates. Here I put about the rules how to do debate. First, one of student may choose the number that she or he wants, and then the teacher will click number and come a question. So for example, about like I choose number 1, and then the teacher will click the number 1, and then appear a question from number 1. It's about smoking should be banned in all places, including private place. And then the student can say agree or disagree from this statement and elaborate their reason. Yeah. After that, I can say from this statement agree or disagree, and if I agree, I can elaborate my opinion. And then student who have disagree opinion, the teacher, I'm sorry, then the teacher will ask to the student who have disagree opinion, and then what is the reason. So maybe I can what is that, I can menyinggung from my friends who has disagree opinion. So from here it will appear about the debate section. So that's why I design this debate, yeah, like that. I hope you understand about what I mean. And then there is speaking conversation, which is conducted at school. Yeah, the students doing interview by question that the teacher give to tourists who is not busy. Yeah, I explained before. Student can, I'm sorry, this speaking conversation can be conducted at school when the student have holiday in the school, and then the teacher can give about this question which the students should ask to the tourist. Maybe a holiday from the student can be held in the beach, pantai, and then the teacher asks to the student to ask this question to the tourist who is not busy, and then the the student can take the picture or document from what the student interview from the tourist, yeah, something like that. So actually this assignment will be conducted 1 year, just doing one time. So yeah, it's important. And yeah, in the last program is about extracurricular program, which there is badminton, basketball, swimming, pramuka, PMR, futsal, and so on. So the extracurricular, it is wajib, which every student or each student should follow this extracurricular to find out about the student interest and talents. Maybe someday they will be athlete, or maybe they will be a helper from people who get disaster. Yeah, something like that. Yes. And then here is the schedule of school. And yeah, salat duha in 6:30 until 7 a.m. Dari salat duha. Yes, it is program that I made is about a program from religious. And then in the end of school, I give about English conversation program, which it will be conducted in the end of school. It's about debate like I explained before. And Friday, The student can do sholat duha, baca surah yasin, and then mapel, and then extracurricular just doing for only Saturday. The student can do what they want or they interest from the extracurricular that the school obligated yang didirikan oleh by school. And then support learning. As we know, partnership is about collaboration between teacher and parents. So it means why I put mobile phone or WhatsApp here, because teacher and parents should collaboration, and then maybe teacher and parents can sharing activities of student. So it's like in this pandemic, which parents at home can educate the student about like to help doing assignment from the student, because parents at home is like about the teacher, and teacher at school cannot do tasks alone, and they need to partner of parents. So the teacher can ask the mobile phone or the number from the student's parent. The teacher can ask the number parents of student to in order the collaboration about sharing activities of student. Is it going well or there is a problem, something like that. And then teacher and parents can sharing about the problem of student. Maybe the student at school doing a problem, maybe like fighting with their friends, and then there is meeting in the school, which is like about before the school is beginning. There is meeting in the school with parents with teacher, maybe telling about the program that I explained before. And then if parents doesn't really like about the program that school established, the parents can deliver their idea what we need to do in order the learning of student can be success. Thank you for the attention, and thank you for giving me a chance to for doing presentation, and thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.